How to post on Instagram. So if you want to post on your Instagram, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Instagram application. Now, if you want to post something on your Instagram, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with the upper left, which has that plus button. Now, here you need to go with the post section and go and select any photo or a video. After that, go with next, which will be in the top. Go and select an audio if you want to. You can go with the audio option, or you also have text. You can go with text if you want to add some. Then overlay, filter, edit, and you can also edit the ratio as well. And go with next, which will be on the bottom once you've done with the editing. Now go and add a caption. Then you can go and add a music. Go with the tick, which will be on the top. Then you can add location or tag people. Once done, you need to go with share button, which will be on the bottom. And within a few seconds, it will be posted. To check if it has been posted or not, you need to just simply go with the view button, which will be in the top, or you can go with your profile, and on your profile you will be able to see your post, which is right here. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.